So today I'm gonna make some like pan-fried wontons or dumplings, whatever you want to call them. And I'm using this impossible meat with these wonton wrappers. And like, some of them I'm just gonna put a little bit of cheese in there, and then cheese and meat. That's the meat that's already cooked. And that is the water that I'm closing the wonton wrappers with instead of egg wash. And so I'm putting some cheese and meat, some just cheese, and just some meat. That's the sauce and the spice that I like to put inside. Well, I just put it inside my soy sauce. Dip, and enjoy.
There's two guys in here talking, right? We all have, the guy has a wandering eye, right?
Okay, so don't worry about how I look. But I was going to do a voiceover, but these is buzzing. So I'm gonna give y'all like a little crunch effect. This one has the cheese and the meat. I didn't eat it yet. So let's get a dippy dip. I'm watching a movie. Get a little dippy dip. Let's get a little bit more of the insides. Oh, sorry. Get up in there. I'm on something. I'm on something. Okay. Let me see if I can get y'all a good crunch. If I can't, oh well. You know what I mean? Because I'm ready to watch my movie. Hold up. Okay, that's all y'all gonna get. Well, peace out. I forgot I want to try the cheese one with y'all. Dippy dip. Everything's getting dipped. Scoop up. Oh, very cute. It tastes like a pastelito. The cheese is lit. I got a bev. It's not from Chick-fil-A. I made it, but I duplicated the drink from Chick-fil-A. Forgot what it was called. Raspberry, I don't know. But I duplicated it. It's just blue. Tastes just like it though.